this video, I'm going to go over the square of an odd number. In this question, we need to prove that the square of any odd number is always odd. The first step is to write an odd number using algebra. So any odd number can be written as 2n plus 1, where n is any whole number. So if n equals 0, we get 1. If n equals 1, we get 3. If n equals 2, we get 5. This one expression covers every odd number there is. The second step is to square the odd number. That means to write 2n plus 1 all squared, which is the same as 2n plus 1 times 2n plus 1. Thirdly, I'm going to expand the bracket. We get 4n squared plus 2n plus 2n plus 1. So collecting like terms, we get 4n squared plus 4n plus 1. Next, I'm going to look at the first two terms, 4n squared plus 4n. Both of these can be divided by 2, so I'm going to factor out a2. So I'm going to write 2 times 2n squared plus 2 plus 1. Lastly, I'm going to identify the form. The answer is now 2 times some integer plus 1, which is the exact definition of an odd number.